Hello students, welcome back to online classes. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today we are going to start with the second chapter of final term, that is chapter 15, perimeter and area. I know most of you know what is perimeter, so let us revise it again. Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. It is the measure of the boundary of a polygon and it is expressed in units of its length. So over here I have taken a figure as a square. So the perimeter is the distance around the two-dimensional shape. So over here it is a two-dimensional shape because it has length as well as breadth. So the distance around this two-dimensional shape of figure gives out the perimeter of a figure. That is, a perimeter of a square is equal to sum of all its sides. So if we are going to add all the four sides, the measure of all the four sides of a square, we are going to get the perimeter of a square. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us move to another topic, that is perimeter of a polygon. What are polygons? In geometry, a polygon can be defined as a flat or plane, two-dimensional closed shape with straight sides. A figure with curved sides are not polygons. So a rectangle, a square, a quadrilateral, these all are called polygons. First of all, why they are called polygons? Because they are two-dimensional figures. They have length as well as breadth. The second thing is the line is straight. The figure is being formed with the help of a straight line. The third thing, it is flat surface and it is a plane surface. So that is why it is called a polygon. And polygon should not have a curved surface or curved boundary. So any surface or figure, any figure which has a curved surface or boundary is not called a polygon. I hope both the topics are clear to everyone. Now let us see perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided figure in which the opposite sides are equal. As you can see the figure of a rectangle, it is a four-sided closed figure. So this is the length and this is the breadth of a rectangle. But in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Suppose if length is 5 centimeter, this side is 5 centimeter, so this side should also be 5 centimeter. This is called the breadth of a rectangle. So if B is 2 centimeter, then this side it should also be 2 centimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle can be taken out by adding all the four sides, or there is a specific formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 inside the bracket length plus breadth. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us move to another topic, that is perimeter of a square. What is square? A square is a four-sided closed figure whose all the four sides are equal. Over here I have drawn a figure of a square. It is a four-sided closed figure whose all the four sides are equal. So the perimeter of a square can be taken out by the formula sum of all the four sides, that is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. So the distance of each side is given to you as 5 centimeter. So if we are going to add the distance, it will come 20 centimeter. Now there is a specific formula to find out the perimeter of a square. So the perimeter of a square can be taken out by the formula, that is 4 into one side. 4 into one side. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us move to another topic, that is perimeter of a triangle. A perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of all three sides. As we all know that a triangle is having a three sides, A, B and C. So if we are going to add all the three sides, then we are going to get the perimeter of a triangle. So the perimeter of a triangle can be taken out by the formula sum of all three sides. So over here I have taken AB side as A, BC side as B and CA side as C. So if I am going to find add all the three sides, that is A plus B plus C, then I am going to get the perimeter of a triangle. Let us move to another topic, that is perimeter of an irregular quadrilateral. So what is quadrilateral? I have already told you before, any four sides, any figure bounded by four sides and having a straight line, as well as it is a flat and plane figure, then it is called a polygon. So polygon is also, quadrilateral is also called as polygon. So perimeter of an irregular quadrilateral is equal to the sum of all four sides. So over here there are four sides and I have given the name to all the four sides, that is LM is equal to P, MN is equal to Q, NO is equal to R, and OL is equal to S. So if I have to find out the perimeter of this quadrilateral, that will be equal to sum of all the four sides, that is P plus Q plus R plus S. I hope all the topics are clear to everyone. Next time when we are going to meet, I am going to start with a new topic. Till then, be safe and goodbye.